Hello everyone and welcome to my channel for today's barbecue recipe. Today we are going to barbecue some nice juicy tender chicken legs. So if you're new to my channel, subscribe, like and comment and watch all the new recipes coming. So I took the skin off the chicken legs. If you prefer it with the skin on, you can also barbecue them with the skin. So to marinate, we will use 1 tablespoon of mayonnaise, 3 tablespoons of honey Dijon mustard, and 2 tablespoons of teriyaki sauce. Then we'll pour some bourbon whiskey inside, about 3 tablespoons. Alright, now we'll add some spices. So we will add half a tablespoon of pepper, then 1.5 tablespoons of salt or seasoning salt, and 1 tablespoon of garlic powder. So let's mix this all nicely up until everything is covered in the sauce and in the spices. Then we'll put a lid on and refrigerate it overnight to marinate. Alright, our chicken legs have been marinated overnight and are now ready for the barbecue. So my internal temperature for the barbecue is about 400 Fahrenheit and I'll barbecue them on low heat for about 15 minutes per side. And always check so you don't burn them. The sauce will be dripping a bit and that will cause a little bit of fire flare-ups. So once the chicken legs are on the barbecue, I'll sprinkle them with my seasoning. I'll be using a chef's blend that has a little bit of a lot of spices in there. You can use any seasoning that you like or your favorites. So just sprinkle them on top and then later we'll sprinkle them from the back side too. Alright, here we go. I turned the chicken legs on the other side and now sprinkling with the same seasoning. The chicken legs are all done and cooked through now. So if you want to make sure that your chicken legs are cooked through, you can use a poke thermometer. The temperature should be around 180 Fahrenheit or 80 Celsius. So look at those juicy, delicious looking chicken legs. They're so tender and you will just love them. So if you like the recipe, like and share, subscribe to my channel for more recipes and enjoy. Thank you for joining me in my kitchen today and watch out for all the new recipes coming.